Hi, my name is Tim Sharma, and I am currently India's leading middle distance triathlete since 2022. I have been into endurance sports since 2012. I started off as a runner. I have won multiple events across various distances in the sport of running, right from road racing to trail running, ultras, marathons, half marathons, 10Ks. I moved into being a cyclist. I am a super radiniya, and I now represent Karnataka state in the sport of cycling, specifically time trialing. To be very honest, there wasn't a key moment. It was a well thought out decision. It was something that I wanted to do for a very long time. I was into sport even when I was younger. So every event has a completely different mindset and a training schedule that needs to be put into place. So first, the calendar is set earlier in the year to understand what the focus is going to be, and there needs to be macro cycles which need to be in place depending on which are going to be the events that I peak in. Everything else is considered to be a training event. More than ignoring misinformation, you should focus on what works for you. So have a plan that is specific to you, your lifestyle, your time availability, what someone who's into sport full-time does versus what someone who's got a full load of family commitments, work commitments, etc. does. Are two completely, it's like comparing apples and oranges. So don't compare your journey, but stay focused, understand your limitations, and create a schedule that works for you. You need to just get up and go and do what you said to yourself that you will do. I don't necessarily look at it as achievements. I think every day is a fresh day, and you need to start fresh, and you need to have goals in sight, which kind of keep you disciplined, because that is what keeps you focused in terms of doing the work, like I mentioned before. So for me personally, I think next year I'm going to be looking more in terms of going to harder races, tougher races where there's more competition. So I have to develop my game. And then effective 2028, I will start accepting. So in 2027, I will accept the World Championship slot. And in 2028 onwards, I will start racing at the World Championship level in the 70.3 distance. Beyond that, I am also contemplating and playing around with the idea of doing my first full distance in 2030. So we do have some time for it, but it is something that is on my mind, and something that I'm looking forward to. I think this initiative is something that is highly required in today's day and age. We need to bring to the spotlight sports people or sports people beyond the sport of cricket, and understand their stories, their motivations, and what drives them to do what they are doing. And this will hopefully inspire more people into understanding what is the different array of sports, at what stage in your life you are, and start maybe pursuing it. So amazing initiative, and do follow Humans in Sport, an initiative by ISST, to know more. Thanks to them.